Hello and welcome to another L N Autocare video. With winter coming up, I'm going to show you how to clean mould off your steering wheel, which can happen in these colder months. When dealing with these types of jobs, you should be thinking of some kind of protection, especially if you're enclosed inside the car. The first product I'll be using is Auto Finesse Verso, which is an all-purpose cleaner. I have it diluted in a spray bottle at 10:1. First thing is to remove the spores on top of the surface, so a couple of sprays on a disposable microfiber cloth will do this and will stop them from getting airborne. Now, bin that cloth. The next part, I'll be spraying Verso onto a brush and getting to all the pores on the steering wheel and ensuring it is as clean as physically possible. Whilst doing this job, I have the car running and the heaters on to help it dry in, because if the steering wheel remains wet and damp, it will come back and your efforts will be a complete waste of time. As you can see, the steering wheel looks much better now and the pores are clean and mold free. Next step is to clean and protect the steering wheel. I'll be using Carchem's Leather 2-in-1 for this step. A couple of sprays are plenty with this product and it doesn't leave a sticky or slippery finish, so perfectly safe for steering wheels. As you can see now, the steering wheel is clean and protected, and all it took was 2 products and some elbow grease, so it's as easy as that. But remember, be careful and use protection if it is needed. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.